Oh, that was easy. It's doing it. I'm capable.
Snowdrops.
So this is great because it means that
Just a bird song.
we can stream from wherever now. I didn't realize the requirement is just 1,000 subscribers. I thought you had to be monetized in order to be able to do it. So at least one of my channels is eligible. That's always good. Very good pushing, sweetie.
Hmm? They walk down the woods that way.
Aye.
Behind that fence, I didn't realise you have to walk between the two fences. So someday I shall do that.
Ooh. We could possibly even go for a run around the estate, and that's another little route to do.
Yeah, good. Now I'm unfit, it actually makes sense to do this short, easy run.
Close to home. It's a shorter distance to crawl back. Oh dear. I do crack myself up. I remember that channel that I saw with the dude who just sits in the corner and smiles. And he just goes out for like 4-hour walks.
And take the camera with him.
Yeah. Which is fantastic.
And how many people tune into that?
You know, it had like, I think one of the top ones had like 304,000 people viewed it.
And is it streaming our audio as well at the same time?
I don't know if he does audio. I didn't pay much attention because I was just like, what? No, actually, he's talking as well, so he'll be walking and talking. So there will be. I think it's actually.
Are we streaming now our audio as well?
I think so, yeah. I'm only going to do it just so we get to the end, and then you can choose to save the stream or not. And I'm just not going to save it. It's just so I know that it can actually do it. And to see if just randomly people will turn up. But this is brilliant.
The light conditions right now, the birds are cheeping. And
yeah, it's cheap. It does look quite nice. Look at that. Yeah.
this quarantine is terrible.
It's like that. Meanwhile, somewhere in the world, somebody's actually. Do you know? I was like watching this documentary about all these separated properties. After I saw a thing, I think it was in Leicester that they discovered. Well, people rent a place. So in Leicester, just to start it off, in Leicester there was this guy who rented a shop unit, and he was using the front as a shop. And you assume that a shop has in the back storage, and you know all your goods, you stock them up in there. But what he'd actually done was he'd converted the back into living space, and he had like 9 people or something living in there. One woman who was pregnant or she had a child, but basically was unsafe. And there was a boy who was sleeping like, you know, on a raised platform, like a makeshift platform. And everyone went crazy about it. But, you know, as you do, because I saw this on YouTube, because, you know, I've been following the news. Oh, thank you. Because I've been following the news like crazy. Then I saw a related article, which was about, you know, people living in all these partitioned things. And you have people who basically, you see like our, you know, the front room, the small front room, they can convert that into 2 or 3 living accommodations. And you're like, what? It's basically just like a little cubicle to sleep in. One had just a person who was living on the landing. On the landing. That little space by the landing is...
And he was still paying £500.
I was like, people are evil, you know? That is the height of cruelty. Because it's basically just throwing people into a cesspit at that point. Ooh. Hands. Did we bring toilet paper? Not toilet paper. Kitchen roll for noses.
I might have some in my pocket, just randomly.
Okay.
Generally do.
Oh, somebody came in just briefly. I wasn't paying attention, but somebody did actually come in to have a look.
So we should just let them listen to the birds, shouldn't we?
Well, and the aeroplanes and helicopters. Pretty. Is she asleep? Yep. You can knock it back then. I thought there was slightly too little complaining there. Yes, baby sleeping. Will it not recline properly?
Over her face as well.
Yeah, baby sleeping. Baby sleeping. This live streaming could be alright, you know. I'm gonna live stream you playing later on. Love building your castles and ting. Means finally I have a reason to actually upgrade to a package that gives you unlimited. Because if you do this and you have like 20 people log on for an hour.
You mean on the E? Is the E not unlimited?
No, this is gift gaff.
Oh, the gift card package.
I just never bothered because I never use it because I'm at home all the time. Yeah. But I'm going to be doing mobile streaming.
People are asking questions about what the capacity of the UK broadcast and the university one as well. It's like they say we should all work from home, we should all stream our classes and stuff, and people are like, how's that going to work over our university servers?
Yeah. So you have to log on to the uni. Oh yeah, you do, don't you?
So we have to go. So it's up this path here.
Okay.
But I'll go round that way to start off the path. And I can move it.
You. Oh yeah. Daddy. You manage. Hold mummy's hand. Oi, careful, sweetie. Oi. You right, hold mummy's hand.
The bank gets a bit steep and places.
Okay. Well done. Yeah, those are flowers. They're called daffodils.
Daffodils are just coming out, aren't they?
Yes. Did you go up or down last time?
Daddy?
Wow. That way. This way. This way. This way, Daddy. Yeah, we're going the right way. Yay. Look, doggy. Yes, we're going to the house. Yeah.
You could just sit here and live stream for
Yeah.
or just leave the camera.
Just watching the world go by. Seriously, you could.
Dog walkers go down the other side.
Hold mummy's hand, please. Hold mummy's hand. Yes. Okay, mummy's gonna hold your jumper then. Okay, you have to be careful, sweetie. Yes, we are walking. Or you're walking me at any rate. Oh, Daddy just saw a bunny. What was that? The pine cone? Yeah, Daddy saw a bunny. Oh yeah, be careful. Alright, be careful over here. Go that way.
Yeah, this path is probably slightly easier for the lower one.
Okay, keep going. Yeah. There you go. There's your hood. Cool. It's a big tree. That's a very big stick.
It's a bit too big, really.
Yeah, it's a bit too big.
And it's not for tickling either. It's too big.
Give it to Mummy.
Too big.
Sweetie, give Mummy. You can have the other part of the stick.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too big for you. Here, you can have this. Poke, poke, poke. Ooh, lovely stick. You want another one? Okay, hold on. Here you go. Okay, no, you've got enough. Just two. Yeah, you've got one for each hand. All right, let's go. No, sweetie, you've got enough. So you've got two. Let's keep going.
Daddy!
Daddy!
Daddy! Daddy!
Is that one for Daddy? Yeah, that one's stuck, so let's leave it. That's a very big stick. It's a very wavy stick. Right, let's catch up with Daddy. Catch Daddy! I'll just do a couple more minutes. Catch! 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 Oh, tickle, 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 tickle. It's a tickling stick. Oh no! Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. No! Oh! That was a pheasant. That was a birdie. It was a birdie flying, yes? It was a pheasant. I think it was very surprised when it saw us. Yeah, those are lots of stones, sweetie. You don't need to do that. No, we're going that way. Yeah. And we can see the horses. Oh, the swings and things. Yeah. Oh. Yes, that's why I said we'll go past the horses.
My cat. Oh,
You're what?
my cat.
Yeah, but you're not climbing on that. Yes, you're a girl. But you're not climbing on that. That'd be a great little picture. I know what all these things do. Right, let's go this way, sweetie. Let's go see the horses. Did you see the horses? The horses are in this field today. Did you see the horses?
No.
No, what's wrong? What is it? They're ponies. Say hello, horsey. Let's go say hello to the horses. It's weird because, you know, we've obviously been much closer to them before when she was younger. But I think, you know, now she's aware of what they are. Because it was a time I took loads of pictures. Oh, look, the horses are running away. Oh, the horses are going. Hello, horsey.
I am.
The horses. Yes. No, we're going this way, sweetie. We're going to say hello to the horses and then keep on walking. Well done. Yeah, I think just because she's aware of what they are now. Yeah. Horsey, wow. Look at that lovely horsey. Hello, horsey. Oh, it's a happy horse. Do you think it's a mummy horse or a daddy horse or a baby horse? A mummy horse? Wow. Hello. Let's go closer and say hello. Yes, we can go and see their faces. Come, let's go say hello, horsey.
No.
Hello, horsey. Yes. Okay, let's catch up with Daddy then. Let's go catch Daddy. Let's go catch Daddy. Let's go catch Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. No. Hello, horsey. What a big, happy horsey. Hello. I think horsey wants some food. Nom, 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 nom.
Wants to feed.
Oh, the fence is open, isn't it?
I am. Oh, she's.
No.
I
Up
am.
there.
No.
It is. Can you not see it?
The horse can't get through that. Tiny gap between the post and the...
That's a huge gap. Are we looking at the same thing?
I didn't see any gap in it.
Right there.
Yeah, it goes down to the...
To the river?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's meant to. Hello. Hello, horsey.
Hello, big horsey.
Hello, horsey.
Hello, happy horsey. How are you? Yes, horsey. Hi. Hi. I wish I had some food for you, but we didn't think we'd see you here. It's a beautiful
Bye-bye,
horsey.
horsey.
Bye-bye, Archie.
Bye-bye.
Horsey wants us to feed her or him.
Hello.
Yeah, but we don't have anything to feed her, do we? We
No.
don't have anything to feed Horsey with.
There's not even really clumps of grass anywhere, is there?
It's a daffodil.
No, I don't think they like that very much. You're going to be fan number one at all. Yeah, sweetie, I'm coming. Yeah, baby. Yeah, sweetie. Yeah, baby. Hello, horsey. Right, we will see you later. There we go. Hello. Hi. Hello, sweetie. Right, we'll come back with food next time. If we find you some grass or a carrot, we'll bring you back a carrot. And you're scratching. Right, and I think I'm done. I've experienced what I wanted to experience with live chat. Our first live stream! Which might stay up or might go down within a few minutes. Bye-bye.